We've been talking about all morning. This rain far from over.
The remnants of Hurricane Ian are still drenching the Delaware Valley and the Jersey Shore. Eyewitness News reporter Jasmine Payoute has more on the conditions in Ocean City.
That's right. Here in Ocean City, residents are being asked to prepare to limit travel if possible. Now, currently, there are three things in effect. As you can see from this water, there is a high tide advisory, a wind advisory, and a coastal flood warning. Officials put up these barriers today, blocking some roads that usually flood. The National Weather Service says the forecast calls for sustained northeast winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. People should be prepared for continued rain to cause widespread flooding over the next few days. Officials also say people should be prepared to see flooding in areas they wouldn't normally expect to. They say these predictions reflect an increase to what was previously forecast. We spoke with some people who were here over the weekend who say they are already noticing a difference.
I mean, coming here, especially on the back roads, the bay's pretty flooded. I mean, you know, there's not on the roads, but there's a lot of water in the marshes, and you know, coming over the bridge, you know, there's some streets backed up. I mean, I know high tide was like 12:30.
Yeah, so places where you don't typically see the water coming through the back roads, it was really close to the street coming up. So yeah,
not terrible. I mean, Ocean City's used to that kind of flooding, but it's more than usual.
Again, these advisories are expected to be in place all day long. If you do happen to see high water, officials are advising people to not drive through it. In Ocean City, Jasmine Payoute, CBS 30 Eyewitness News.
And with all these warnings in effect, make sure you have the CBS Philly app downloaded. You can get the forecast anytime, even when we aren't on the air. The CBS Philly app is free for Apple and Android devices.